Hello dear students, welcome to the Shree RSC Tutors. Let's do today some of the colorful worksheets. So let me share my screen with you. Here, let's go on www.shreersctutors.com website. Here, we need to click on worksheet. Let's see what's in the grade 2. Let's check what's in the place values. We can see we are finding here so many worksheets. Let's download one worksheet. Here we can say we have this worksheet. Let's try to find out these answers. Let's do it little bit of zoom. Now our question is fill in the correct tens and ones for the given numbers. So we have to fill the tens and ones with the correct numbers. So first question is 89. In 89, how many tens are there and how many ones? So in 89, there are 8 tens and 9 ones. In 52, we have 5 tens and 2 ones. In 63, we have 6 tens and 3 ones. In 42, we have 4 tens and 2 ones. In 75, we have 7 tens and 5 ones. Did you understand this? Now, let's scroll it more. Let's try to do next question. Here, in 12, we have 1 tens and 2 ones. In 69, we have 6 tens and 9 ones. In 98, we have 9 tens and 8 ones. In 22, we have 2 tens and 2 ones. In 29, we have 2 tens and 9 ones. This is how you can do the worksheet. Thank you very much.